In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade gold on MetaTrader 5. Whether you're new to trading or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step, making sure you feel confident and informed about each part of the journey. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your broker platform within MetaTrader 5. This is your gateway to trading various commodities, including gold. Once your platform is open and ready, find the Market Watch section, which is typically located on the left side of the screen. In this window, you'll see various market symbols. Navigate to the Symbols tab. This is where you can manage and view all the available trading instruments. Now, do a right-click in the Market Watch window and select Symbols from the menu. This will give you access to a list of all tradable instruments. Here, you should locate XAUUSD, which represents gold in the global market. If you don't see it at first glance, don't worry. You might need to browse through the categories until you find it. Once you've found XAUUSD, click on it, and then click Show, followed by Close. This action will add gold to your active symbols list, placing it at the bottom. With gold now visible, drag the XAUUSD symbol from the Market Watch section to your main chart area. Doing this will display gold's price history and give you insights into market trends and patterns. To place a trade, find XAUUSD in your Market Watch section and double-click on it. This will open an order window. Before proceeding, ensure that XAUUSD is selected as your trading instrument. Next up, you'll need to determine your desired trade size. Carefully consider your trading strategy and account balance when deciding on a position size. The next crucial steps involve risk management. Set a stop-loss price level to automatically close your trade if the market moves against you. This helps in limiting potential losses. Then, set a take-profit level. This is the price at which you want to automatically close your trade to secure profits when the market moves in your favor. Once you have configured your trade settings, decide whether you want to buy or sell. Click Buy if you anticipate the price of gold will rise, or Sell if you expect it to decline. After your trade is executed, it's essential to monitor and manage it. Keep an eye on market movements and adjust your trade settings if necessary to optimize outcomes. And there you have it. You're now ready to start trading gold on MetaTrader 5 with confidence. Remember, trading always carries risks, so continue to educate yourself and trade responsibly. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!